Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make bananas Foster. So stay tuned, and I'll show you right away how we make it. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make bananas Foster. Yesterday we did a video on Facebook, no, not Facebook Live, it was Instagram Live, and Edith made some bananas Foster. So we got positive feedback for that video. So today I want to show you how to make it step by step, and also is one of my first desserts I learned to make, and a very easy one. So what I got is one large banana. So what I'm going to do is peel the banana, and I'm going to slice it lengthwise like this. It's almost like a bias cut. At this point, my pan has already been on for a little bit. I'm going to throw in about 2 ounces of butter. This is European butter. I'm going to throw in 2 ounces of granulated sugar. This is going to make the caramel, the base of it. So you can see the pan, how the butter and the brown sugar starts melting. It starts making almost like a little caramel. At this point, I'm going to add my banana in there. While the banana is cooking in there, what I'm looking for is just a banana soft cook, not hard cook. Hard cook is like when it becomes too mushy. You still want it to retain its shape because you're going to plate it. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. So you can see how the bananas are cooking nice and slow. It's a very quick dish, so I suggest you doing this when you're ready to plate it up. It usually takes about 3 minutes, 4 minutes at the longest. Some people longer because of the cutting. So now that the bananas are already kind of caramelized, I'm going to add a little bit of brandy. It's about 1 ounce. This is going to flame the pan like this. Flaming is the act of removing all the alcohol from the liquor, which in turn just makes it, the sweetness of the liquor remains. So now this is going to reduce into my sauce. So I'm going to reduce it about halfway. At this point, I'm reducing it just so it can coat the bananas, and I'm going to serve it with a scoop of ice cream, and I'm going to plate it up very simple. Something that you can do at home. So the ice cream, they're making me a scoop right now from the front. So they're going to bring it over. What I chose today is a cappuccino chocolate chip. It's my favorite ice cream right now. I like coffee, so that's kind of my fix. So here I have the cappuccino chocolate chip ice cream. I just took a half a scoop. I'm going to put the bananas with the sauce right like this on top. I'm going to take a little powdered sugar on top of that. Go on my plate. A little cinnamon also to give it the color. And over here I have a little candy pecans just for the crunch. So this is an easy, quick dessert that you can make at home. So again, this is very simple. A couple tips. You can use strawberries, you can use blueberries, you can use raspberries, you can almost use any fruit. A cool one to be using right now would be like a pineapple because of the bitterness and the sweetness. So those are just a couple little tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit subscribe. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.